and new rear tire. This is a Dunlop Roadsmart III, and I had started to install it on my cycle hill tire changer, but the job proved to be too much. But details about that somewhere else on another video. Anyway, one of the things that the guys asked me to check was the balance when I got home, because they wanted to see if their balancing machine was okay, and I'm hoping it is, but I don't know. This is the Mark Parnes balancer, static balancer, and I've rotated the tire so that the weights are on the side, so really it should stay still, but I have a feeling it wants to take off. Looks like it might have a little too many weights on there. It's going down to the bottom. So let me rotate the weights and put it to the top. The weights are at the top now. I'm going to stop the tire from rotating and then let go. As you can see, it's going back down to the bottom again. This is a pretty much new Mark Parnes rig, never used before, really. So it's in perfect condition. Now I got a bunch of 5-gram weights, and the weights on that they've put on was 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce is equal to 7.1 grams. So I'm going to put on enough of these here to see how much, put it on the opposite side to see how much overweight I have, but with these weights here. Starting with 10 grams, opposite to the set of weights over there. It's actually almost perfectly opposite, but not quite. But let's see what happens when I release the tire. Still going down. So 10 is not enough. There we go. So I've got a total of 20 grams. So the weights are at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. Let go. 20 grams. Oh, let me stop it. I think I might have kick-started it a little bit. It's going down again, going down slower, but still going down. So I'm going to put 30 grams at the 3 o'clock position and let go gently. All right. Well, it's still going down a little bit. Maybe 35 grams, but still going down a little bit. So let's try it the opposite way. Let's see. I'm going to put this at the 10 o'clock position here. Okay, let go. It's still rolling down. So maybe another 5 grams. It's going fairly fast. I'll put another 10. 40 grams going up to the 3 o'clock position. Let go. Aha. So 40 grams is too heavy. 35 grams is as close as we're gonna get it. 35 grams there. Put that at the 3 o'clock position and let go gently. It's statically balanced. So these weights here are 35 grams too heavy. Let's convert what 35 grams are in 1/4 ounce weights and see what happens. Well, 35 grams is equal to pretty much 1 1/4 ounces, which would mean 5 of these weights have got to come off. Okay, 5 of them have got to come off. So the balance accuracy from the dealer was 35 grams too heavy. So the machine needs calibration. With 4 weights removed, let's see what the result is. There they are. I took 4 weights, 2 off of each side. I remember I said 5 weights needed to be removed. So this might still be a little heavy, but it might be close enough that I'll leave it. So let's let go. It's going down pretty slowly. And it's not going all the way down to the bottom, and it looks like it wants to swing back up again. So I think I'm gonna leave that there. I think it's pretty much balanced. Good enough there for me. I'm just a little concerned about these weights though, because they're stuck on with double-sided tape and they're not, it doesn't look very strong. So I'm gonna try and press them on a little bit better, but I think I'm gonna call that done. Let's try it a little higher. Put it at the 1030 position right there and see what happens. There's a little bit of breeze outside here. It's a beautiful afternoon. I don't know if the breeze is going to cause it to move, but it's gone back down a bit. But now it's got some momentum, so let's see where it settles. It's going back up, see? So I think that's close enough. That's close enough. Look at that. That's oscillating. That's close enough, I think. Let's slow it down a bit. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll take one more weight off. That's my OCD kicking in. Should I? Then it'll look foolish. 3 on one side, 4 on the other. Guess what? My OCD for balance outweighed my OCD for evenness left to right. So I took that additional weight off. So I've got 5 weights, 5 quarter-ounce weights off. And let's see the effect. It's right now at the 3 o'clock position, the 9 o'clock position, I should say. And let's see, I'm letting go. Still moving down slightly, but I stopped it. It's balanced. It's not moving. It's balanced. So my experiment worked. It proved that 5 weights had to come off. So 1 1/4 weights, too heavy. 1 1/4 ounces, I should say, too heavy.